I can't believe it, even it's so wet. It doesn't have a
Hello guys, I'm Ivor, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to try out 3 different eyebrows trend hacks. First off, we have the 6D eyebrow stickers. It's basically the same thing as children's tattoo. You put it with the water and you just put it there. And second thing is soap brows. So you just dip it in like that and you just put it up like fleeky brows. And third thing, I'm going to do the brow lamination at home DIY. So right now I'm just going to remove one of my brows just to see the difference. Be prepared, don't get shocked because I don't really have a lot of brows. They have different types of eyebrow shapes, but I chose the one with a lot of hair, like fleeky brows. That's what I want to achieve. And they have different sizes. Like this is the big one for big brows people and small brows people. I think this is mine. There's this cling film as usual. They have for a cartoon tattoo. They have this. Just remove the cling film. Okay, here we go. Wait, I didn't read the instruction. I don't know how long should I put it on for. I think until it dries. Okay, I can't move the tattoo because if I move the brow shape, it's gonna move. If this works, I'm not gonna draw my brows anymore. I'm gonna buy a bulk of stickers and just slap it on like that. Are you ready? Oh my god.
What?
What the fuck? Like it's got nothing left on the paper. You gotta push a little bit up. Hey, ooh. I don't know if you can tell, like there is some sort of a layer of cling film that's so shiny. Like can you see this is drawn? So it's more natural, it's like it's got powder, and this, if you're taking photos under a flashlight, you can see like there's this plastic reflection. Well, bad news, when I was just adjusting my hair and I accidentally rub it off a bit and the sticker just went off like that. Didn't even stay for 5 minutes, so yeah, I don't think you should call it tattoo, like it's not even. Oh well. Next we have this brow soap that they come with a little spoolie. Dip the spoolie in the water. In the water? In the water. Yeah. In the water. Dip in the water. And here you just gotta rub a little bit of water on the soap. See? Rub, 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 rub. It's so wet, y'all. I think I did too much water. Ooh, this is so soothing. It's like a massage for your brows. I like this. But I don't think it would be a good idea for people who has less brow hairs. Like, you kind of just optimize the thickness of your eyebrows, of what you have. So if you don't really have eyebrows, no matter how much you push, like it's not gonna show anything. Thank God I have some eyebrows with me, so because I apply a lot of castor oil, holy brow lash link in the description box, shamelessly plugged. I like this kind of brows, but it doesn't work for people like me who has less brows hair, especially when I want to take photos. Like you can't really see anything. Look, what the fuck, I look very nah, I don't like this at all. It's not coming up. Okay, next is the last one, the DIY brows lamination. Because I just checked that if you're gonna do brows lamination service in Malaysia, it's like 150. Treatment 1 according to this instruction. Step 1, perming. Step 1 is for perming and step 2 is the setting. I don't have a cling film, so I'm gonna use the leftover of the tattoo sticker that has a cling film, so I'm just gonna do it like that. You know what I mean? It's the same concept, I guess. Oh, it's a type of gel. It does not have a pleasant smell. It smells like the kind of chemical you can smell it in a hair salon. It's just that much. It's not a lot. Oh my god, it smells so bad. I thought you have to do this also. No? It's not stated in the instruction, but I assume that you gotta groom a bit like that. Oh my god, it smells so bad. It smells like rotten egg. No, like someone farted. It's so bad. Am I supposed to use all of them? I think so. My eyes, no! Oh my god, this is a mess. I'm getting panic. This gel works better than the brow soap though. I just don't know how long it lasts. Now you gotta use a cling film to put it on. On the instruction it says gotta leave it for 10 minutes. Eyebrows is close to the face so skin get combed softly. What is this? I think it's like a direct translation of from a Chinese to English. That's why it doesn't really make sense. Obviously this is like a China product.
10 minutes
okay,
later.
It's been 10 minutes. I think I should take it out now. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I hope it doesn't fucking fall off. Please don't. This is why I can't do flaky brows. Oh, I can. I actually can. Oh my god, look at my eyebrows. It's just very thin and like a lot of empty spaces. Okay, I try to push it up. Push it up. I look like a drag queen. Then I gotta wipe it off. But what's the point of putting that treatment cream though? If you want me to wipe it off. Wipe off the treatment and start designing the brows. Oh, okay, so it kind of set a base. Even though I wipe it off, but my brows hair, they are much more harder to, like much more stiff. It's like applying a wax on your eyebrows. Ooh, I look very angry. Brows lift. Next is to spread the treatment too. I think this is the setting gel. Yeah, it is. It's called setting gel for some reason. Ooh, oh my god. This smells even worse. Okay. This time you're gonna wrap it for 3 minutes. Only 3 minutes. So you know, I'm doing it a night before my birthday party, so I'm not sure. Oh my god, the wrist, oh my god, the wrist. Can you imagine if I take it out and my eyebrows just gone? So that it doesn't fall off. Ooh. Oh. I can't believe it. Even little brows like me have the chance to have this fleeky brows. Okay, next one. Okay, then you gotta comb in a bit. I saw the video, they are supposed to like comb it up. So now that it's all up, you don't want to make it look like you're angry, so you gotta like tame it a bit and do like a straight line. Ooh. And then whoop, 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 like that. I wish I had more brows hair at the end. Well, not bad overall. I like this one. I just hope that it would stay, I don't know, a few days, because this is supposed to be brows lamination. But if I needed a temporary fleeky brows, I would have just used the soap brows. It's crazy. I've never seen my eyebrows that fleeky. Ooh. It's weird, and it's not my style, because my style is always like thick brows, and this is my first time trying it, like natural fleeky brows, which I can't. I don't know. I don't think it suits me because I have dark hair, and dark hair is supposed to go with dark eyebrows. And if you're like blonde, then obviously fleeky brows would fit you because it's not as dark saturation. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Anyways, that's all. If I were to choose one favorite out of 3 of them, I would choose this, the brows lamination, but it is very messy. This is what it looks like after I had a shower and washed my face, and it still kind of stay flat. It stayed flat instead of making it up, so I'm not sure about long lasting because it just makes it still Is it long lasting? I don't know, because it just returned back to my original brow shape. So that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below, and I'll leave the products link in the description box. So good night.